Hi, it's Brittany from Empurrium. Welcome back to my channel. Today is another day of the 13 days of Halloween, and we're going to make the 6 hours in a box coffin pouch from Sincerely Jen Patterns. Super fun, quick, and easy. I used the LFHW vinyl from my website, and I used my unicorn mane sewing string from Wizardry. Quick, fun, easy. There are 2 pattern pieces and then some cam snaps, but you can put like gift cards, credit cards, cash, coins, whatever you want. Turn into keychain. Super fun, super easy, quick 10-minute video. I hope you enjoy. We're just going to go over sewing since it's just 2 pieces, but we'll get into it. I went ahead and I already cut out the pieces. It was just 2 pieces. I figured we'll just do that. I did not do any of the other prep work though. So we're gonna take and cut the snap placement out of the pattern piece. And then this, we're gonna clip it or just place it onto this piece here. And we're gonna mark those and then punch them. You know what? I think I want to do the smaller one. But we're gonna punch those holes. And then we'll take these right sides together. So we're done with these pattern pieces. Or we're taking them wrong sides together. And we're going to line up the edges and clip them together. Looks like I'll need to trim mine a tiny bit after I sew it, but I'm not worried about that. That's fine. What did I do though? Try to do it as best as possible. I ended up shifting the vinyl on one side, I think is what happened. Okay, yes. That spot, that's exactly what it was. I'll just have to trim that after I sew. Okay, so we're going to take this and fold this over right here. And then we're going to mark those spots and punch holes there. And we're going to go ahead and install our snaps. So I'm using cam snaps. Don't get to use them too much anymore. I was going to do black. Okay, I have just enough. Maybe we could do orange. It appears I have a ton of orange. So we need 4 of these. And then we need 2 male and 2 female. So there we go. And then using the little pliers for them. Okay, we're going to put the caps at the back, and then I'm going to do the female side. These are so squeaky, I'm sorry. I've had them, I don't even know how long. Probably like 10 years. 11. They could probably benefit from some oil, but it just flattens down those posts. All right, and then we're gonna close this before I knock it off the table. Wouldn't be the first time. Okay, we're gonna clip this back together. Like I said, I'm gonna just go through and trim that later. It's fine. All right, and then we're going to be stitching all the way around the exterior of this, leaving this part's going to stay unstitched. I'm going to do a 4 for my stitch length. And I'm going to start right here. And you're just going to go slow. Make sure you line up the corners nicely. Have your needle in and on its way back up when you pivot. I thought about making this into a little keychain. And then I decided I'd just go ahead and make it pretty straightforward. But I was going to take a scrap of my vinyl and just cut like maybe like a 1/2 inch by 1.5 inches and loop it onto a little 1/2 inch snap hook and sew it into the top seam. So when you get here, you're going to be sewing on the one layer. And we didn't put the other snaps on yet so that we could stitch here. If that snap was on right here, you would not be able to stitch. It would be in the way. And then I'm just going to go right to where I was, back stitch. I did think if you didn't like the look of the back of the vinyl, this would be cool to put like heat transfer vinyl on the back so that you have just like a solid finished side for the vinyl. But that takes it away again from being as quick of a project. All right, I'm just gonna singe those threads, and by starting and stopping right here, once this is folded over, well, I guess it doesn't actually hide it, but the thought was there. All right, we can put the other side of our snaps on. So you're gonna want to make sure it goes like that. Oh, I didn't put like a name tag or anything on it. If I was making a bunch, I would if I was planning to sell them. But I think my daughter will get this one. She gets a lot of my little fast projects, but that clips together right there. And can show you with my friend Tiffany's business card. It fits cards in there nicely. Jenny had mentioned you could put gift cards in there. That's pretty cute. I hope you enjoyed this quick, fun project, and I hope you'll check out the other 12 days and the 13 days of Halloween. Have a great day. Bye.